Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your Asset Management Report. Today is Monday, July 28, 2008. According to the 2008 annual reports, the United Nations Joint Staff Pension Fund reported a funding level of 147% and an actuarial surplus of 0.49%. Money Management Letter reports the actuarial valuation is based upon December 31, 2007 and was the sixth straight surplus, but lower than the recorded 2005 surplus of 1.29%. The pension scheme, which is comprised of 22 member organizations, including the United Nations and the World Health Organization, marked an 8.3% increase in active participants 1 year later. In the year through March 31, 2008, the fund returned 8.1%, beating the benchmark return of 5.2% and its target return of 3.5%. Staying with asset management news, according to the Jamaica Observer, the Bank of St. Lucia Limited has launched a wealth asset management fund. Robert Nordstrom, the bank's general manager and managing director of East Caribbean Financial Holding Company, said, "We have gone where no one has gone before in banking." Nordstrom also said that the launch was the realization of an idea that was born in January of 2006. The department is managing funds in excess of 200 million East Caribbean dollars, and Nordstrom said it became necessary to streamline operations. And in more asset management news, Global Investor is reporting that fading performances at New Star Asset Management have brought yet another string of changes in the firm's management. Stephen Whitaker, Chief Investment Officer at New Star Asset Management, has handed over his underperforming £253 million equity income fund to another manager, a move that the market had been expecting. According to New Star, Whitaker's UK equity fund lost 26% in value over the 12 months to the end of June. This compares with a sector average loss of 15%. And in other asset management news, according to Reuters, India, seeking to fund expansion, JM Financial Limited said it will sell 12% of its stake in its fund unit JM Financial Asset Management to raise 1.12 billion rupees. Vishal Kampani, the director of the fund, said, "We want to increase our distribution muscle across India, and that requires capital. We want to maintain a 25% to 30% plus growth in assets under management over the medium term," adding he was not looking at raising more capital for at least 2 years as the business plan was funded. The fund house has seen average assets surge more than 200% to 116.55 billion rupees in the last 1 year, far higher than the 38.1% growth to the industry, according to data from the Association of Mutual Funds in India. And that rounds out today's asset management report. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our asset management channel online and read the full stories plus the latest developments.